right, good afternoon, folks. Today we're taking a look at the energy complex, more specifically crude oil and unleaded gas, often referred to as RBOB. And from a seasonal perspective, the peak in gasoline consumption is the summer vacation and driving season of July and August. Prices typically rise from winter through April as driving conditions improve and inventories are accumulated, but then we see some easing of prices during the month of May. So here we are in the second day of May, and we are certainly seeing some easing of prices. We're down 3.25% on crude oil alone, or $2 per barrel. There's some interesting things shaping up on both the daily and weekly charts. Just to put this in perspective, we can draw a Fibonacci retracement from this last swing high to this last swing low. And notice that we came up, tested, surpassed, and then reversed here at the 618 retracement level. Furthermore, one of my members pointed out that we also have a small head and shoulders topping pattern right here at these levels. So here is your left shoulder, here's your neckline, here's your head, here's your neckline, here's your right shoulder. So once we break and close below the neckline, that is generally an area where we would look to short. The target is going to be the distance between the head and the neckline. So 66.5 down to 62.5, a $4 move, or 58.5, which puts us right down here under these longer term moving averages. Flip over to a weekly chart, you can see that we put in a very nice big bearish reversal candle based on last week's price action. Do the same exercise, take the last major swing high to this last major swing low, and as you'd suspect, we're going to see the rejection at the same levels here, right around $63.50 to $64. Only problem I see are some longer term moving averages acting as support. But if we remove the moving averages and look at price action and seasonality alone, looks like we are heading lower. If we flip over to RBOB unlead, on a daily chart, you can see that we're putting in a 1, 2, 3 top pattern that also aligns with an old top that was put back here in October. So we have this large V-shaped recovery, now at a double top with our 1, 2, 3 pattern confirming. And our target is down here at the 1.90 area, which puts us near the 50-day moving average. Going to a weekly chart on RBOB, we get the same confirmation. We're rejecting at an important price level, this resistance level here, and it looks like could come back down and test these moving averages around the 185 to 190 level. So looking for some early seasonal moves to the downside in RBOB and crude before flipping back to take potential long positions going into the summer months. So hope it helps. Good trading, and we'll see you on the next update.